Lane, Lynn, and Douglas are among the 20 counties whose applications for Phase 1 opening are currently being considered by the state. If those applications are approved, starting this Friday, restaurants, salons, and gyms could be back open, but there will be restrictions. Restaurants and bars may resume dining in, and servers must wear a face covering. Barber salons can open by appointment only and keep track for tracing. Retail stores can open with one-way aisles and safe distance markings, and social gatherings of up to 25 people will be allowed. Counties must then remain in this phase for at least 3 weeks before becoming eligible for Phase 2, which is still being developed. And Lane County's application to reopen for Phase 1 is currently in the hands of the governor. They sent it off on Friday and are hoping to get a response as early as tomorrow. And KEZI 9 News reporter Michael Severn breaks down why they say they are ready.
In their applications, counties need to meet 7 prerequisites from the state in order to reopen. And in their application, leaders at Lane County say they'll meet all those by Friday. Lane County Administrator Steve Mokerheisky writes the county has enough staff and resources to test, track, and isolate new cases. In the report, they say they have seen a decline in cases while testing has increased. They point out the number of places where people can get tested and say hospitals around the county have a response plan if they see a surge. When it comes to PPE, they say hospitals and first responders have enough supplies that should last for 30 days. On top of all that, they say they can get volunteers to meet the state's requirement of having 15 contact tracers per 100,000 people. They've been able to investigate 95% of all cases in just 24 hours and say that will continue. Coming up in the next hour of KEZI 9 News at 5, I'll take a look at Lane County's plans to make sure that everyone can self-isolate and the hotels that are helping with that. In Eugene, I'm Michael Severing, KEZI 9 News.